How to remove someone from WhatsApp group. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove someone from WhatsApp group. For this, open up the WhatsApp on your device. Now you want to open up your WhatsApp group, then tap on the group name at the top. Here, scroll down and find the members option. You're going to find the list of your members over here. Now, simply tap on the member name that you want to remove. Now, you're going to find a couple of options here, such as message, view, make group admin, remove, and verify security code. If you want to remove someone, simply tap on the remove option over here. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Tap on the OK option, and when you do that, you will remove that person from the WhatsApp group. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.